Hi guys, welcome to Audrey's channel. Today we're gonna open Shopkins Egg. Close up. Now let's open it. For no reason. Ow. I poked my finger. That hurt very badly. Oh my gosh. Still hurts. Ouchies.
We have a lot of duplicates already, right?
That was so ouch. Expensive. Let's get this egg unwrapped. Oh, got cappuccino, mushroom. We got scissors and mushroom and cappuccino.
Remind the children to use the scissor
Remind
and
you
take
not.
safe precaution.
Yeah, let's put it here. You can see it. I'll open my cappuccino. And give you a close-up of all. Let me. These are the two new ones.
Which two?
These two. Mushroom and this guy. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so stay tuned to press the like button every single time you see the video from Audrey, mytoystv, okay?
And share the video too, right? Bye.
And also share the video. So bye.